y'all, welcome back to another video. Today, what's up y'all, welcome back to another video. I know the last video got you guys spooked. Well, maybe, I didn't even edit and upload yet, so if you are spooked, don't be spooked no longer, because I told you, from here on out, let me get up and close with you guys. I told you guys, from the last video on out, content on my channel will never be the same. Why do you say that, Zosh? Why do you say that, bro? Well, because today is the day I go pick up my first ever K-series. And I've been so excited for the past couple of days. I've been watching so many K-swap videos, freaking VTech Academy, Speed Academy, Honda Street Garage, Young Static, Chris Sadowski, every K-swap YouTuber. I've been on their ass on like watching them, and I'm so excited. But right now I'm gonna pick up my girl. She wants to come for her first ever car part road trip. So I'm gonna pick her up, and then we're gonna go visit my dog Ronald and pick up this K24A2. It's a K24A2. And yeah, get it loaded up and come back home. And then yeah, I guess just hopefully today turns out to be a beautiful, beautiful day. Christina driving me down south with no issues. Thank you, I love you. I said in the last video, like, oh, that's gonna be my last ever first start with the Christina being turbocharged. Well, I guess today is the, last first start. Yeah, boy! So behind schedule, I left my car at home, had to go pick her up. But now we're on our way to you, Ronald. Are you prepared for this journey? It is hot, bro. No AC life, but it's all good. All good. We made it to our destination, and little Chica over here is damn near dead. I don't mind driving your car with AC, babe. Yeah, it's okay. Now I need AC? Ridiculous. For real, man. For real.
Bro, so I
What's
just
up, bro?
took the car out for a quick spin just now.
Uh-huh.
Because it was having issues where I felt like the wobble, but he just told me that I just need to change the rotors.
Uh-huh.
It worked.
Yo, you driving on warped rotors? Front or rear?
Front.
Oh, yeah, that's even worse. Okay, that's bad. Yo!
You're doing pulls, right?
Oh, you got the hybrid racing shifter?
Oh, yeah.
Yo! That's the no-cut shifter?
Yeah, that's no cut.
Dang, I like that. Full A2.
This is what popped off. I heard that shit popped out too, bro. Yeah.
How the hell that shit gonna pop off? I connected to shit.
It was on there.
So what? There's no end.
To your fat ass nose.
Do you see a titties, nigga?
It's fine. My girl like my titties.
So she be sucking on them.
Hell yes.
Ain't nothing wrong with that, bro. Take a man to that. I mean, I don't do it, but I'm just saying. Like, ain't nothing wrong with that.
I think there's a Bentley there too.
This ain't no B series now, big.
God damn. Oh. So here we have a K24A2. I think I said that earlier in the vlog that I'm going full K24. This guy wants me to throw an A2 head on. But you nervous? You got warrants? You got warrants. So, I would love to throw an A2 head on it, but I'm on a time span of 2 months. Like, I'm trying to get the car K-swapped in, driving tuned before, well, actually on my birthday, which is November 8th, because I'm going up to Daytona the 9th. So I got 2 months to get everything. Well, all I gotta do is get the mounts, transmission. I'm not doing the timing chain because how many miles on it, Ron?
Like 110.
That's it, and that's basically 110,000 miles. So a Honda motor is like
That much just got broken out.
yeah, and like I can't drive, so I know I ain't gonna be doing hella pulls on it. And y'all know I can't drive, so I just need something reliable. I want to do like I want to drive this shit everywhere, man.
Your second and third be nice.
Who's second and third be nice? My second and third be nice?
I mean, everything else is trash, but you got.
Hey, that's all you had to say, bro. I don't care what it is. Yeah, second and third clean. That's all that matters, bro.
Randy need to watch out.
Yeah, Randy.
Hey,
My fault, dog.
not gonna lie to you, I'm trying to like see who can drive better than Randy, man.
That'd be a good race.
I wouldn't like have your. I just can't find the. Alright, there you go. Oh shit.
Orders in. One half of the swap is done. Oh, it ain't that low. I thought it'd be lower actually.
You're gonna be rubbing all the way back and forth.
My dog Ron came clutch with it.
Yeah, bro.
Finally K-swap to join these fast guys. Got an RSX. This fast guy over there with his K24, 20 build and fast guys. My boy Ron got the channel. He's vlogging now. What's the channel, bro?
What's on K-Bros?
K-Bros. Like K-Pro, but K-Bros. I thought that's what that's doing because his brother got a nice ass EK hatch too.
Got a 2420 EK hatch, the 5-low conversion. Pretty much trying to build an EK9.
That's it. It's nice, bro. It's nice.
Trying to get my shit running. So.
Little did y'all know, I was supposed to pick up a K28-2 off him because he had like he had an import shop in his garage. But I slept on it and then like he's like, yo, I still got a K24. I was like, is it an A2? He was like, yeah. I was like, all right, say no more. I didn't know he got back in town till today. I was like, yo, I'm gonna be there this morning. So I was like, yo, I kept hyping it up like I'm gonna start the build September 1st. Like nobody knew I was going K series. It was like, yo, you should go K. I'm like, yeah, but I can't afford it. And guy came clutch with a deal I cannot refuse. Like I can't even tell. I don't even want to tell y'all the deal. Christina's getting K. That's all I gotta say. I'm finally going K swap. Finally. And the only thing I'm scared about is driving. I'm scared to hit a bump, bro. I feel like I hit one bump. It's it. But I'm dumped, bro. It's dumped. Oh my god. Now I gotta get an engine stand and start rolling out these K-Series videos.
Few inches later.
Well, this sucks.
Careful when I pull you over, okay? I don't want you to get killed. There is oncoming traffic.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay, listen. What is all this?
Race car. It's
Gotcha.
my race car, street car, daily car.
Okay. Do you know how fast Lakeview Road is?
No idea.
30. You
Oh,
know
I was
how
going.
fast you were going?
I'm gonna say, cause my culture's in kilometers. I'm gonna say about 45.
Closer to 50. Yeah.
50.
Yeah.
Oh, I was booking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license, registration, insurance? You guys live in the city?
I'm from. Nani? I just came to buy an engine.
Okay, guys. Just the rest of the city. I mean, no more than everything is pretty. I mean, you go down side roads just 25, 30 miles an hour.
Okay, so
Just
now I
pay
know.
attention to
Thank
that
you.
'cause you're not from here.
Okay.
All right, guys. Drive safely.
All right. Thank you so much. Keep up. Hey, I think she wanted me, man.
You got nervous, babe?
Nah, I just want to get a ticket.
Super facts.
Come on, one, two. I don't know, bro. Heavy, dog. You know I'm gonna look in. Come on, man. You can't talk shit.
Do it.
Get my ass.
John, I don't think you're talking about.
Go, little bitch. Oh, it's going down. Oh, shit. Randy's going down. Randy's going down, bro. I got it. He's going down. Let go. Bro, grab the plank. Oh, we just. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Come out this side. I got it. Alright, hold on. Alright, help me now. Hold on, bitch. Bro, this bitch is heavy, man. I'm scared, dog. I don't want to crack no open on this bitch. Hold on. Man, I just showered. Bro, I'm sorry. That whole heavy in him. That bit heavy.
One more, bro. We ain't done.
Huh?
You're taking this out.
This my chest hurting. So I posted the post about selling, after 4 years of owning this thing. I didn't say car, so I'm talking about the B series motor. And some people got it, some people caught on to it, some people didn't. But in the comments, the first comment that I've seen that the guy was like legit spot on about everything was from this guy. This guy right here knows what's up. That's what I'm doing. That's funny. Today is actually Sunday. I was supposed to film today, but I didn't get the engine on the stand until like 7 o'clock. It's 9:43 now. So I'm gonna continue this video Monday when you guys actually get this video out. Like when you're watching this, it should be on a Monday if you're watching it when it first came out or whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. What's up, y'all? y'all, so it's the next day, and shout out to my boy Seth, man. He let me use his valve cover for a couple of days until my boy Ronald bring me down to one. Here we have my 2004, actually, K24A2, and I know what you K-Series guys are saying. 2004, Josh, that's the sucky one. You should have got the 06. I should have, but this was on a good deal. And from reading online, all I have to do is just swap out the intake cam for an 06 intake cam and run the 50 degree VTC cam. I read the specs on like some, I think K20.org. So there's more of a difference between the 04 TSX motor and the 06 TSX motor, but they're both K24A2s, which is like the good one. But it doesn't really matter to me. Still got low miles, barely broken into, and I'm just ready, bro. I am ready. Now, I don't know if I have plans of doing the 2420 route. I just want to test out the full 24, but Chile did it, and he made 230-ish horsepower, I believe, on a K24A, which is the JDM K24 from the Euro R Accord, I believe. He made great power. That's all I'm really going for. Now, I'm not going on E85 because I plan on doing a road trip with this car, as in like driving to your state, whether you're in Texas, New York, Philadelphia, California. Like, I want to do a tour with my car so I can like meet everybody, and I think that'd be really dope. Hopefully my car doesn't get stolen. But so now that you guys know that I'm officially going K-Series, I'm gonna need your help. Zosh, what do you need, brother? I got you. What I'm gonna need is a plug on an RBC manifold. I'm also gonna need a plug on an 06 and up K24A2 cam shaft for the intake side. I'm gonna need a 50 degree VTC cam gear. All the K20, K24 guys out there, if you're watching this video, if you have something that you would if you have any cool parts for sale that you think that will help benefit this build, please let me know. Or if you just want to be a saint and send me it anyway, I did open up a PO box like a week ago. I just put PO boxes on the screen and in the description box below. If you have any parts you want to send to me, like a valve cover painted yellow, that would be nice, or a RBC manifold, or a 50 degree VTC cam gear, or some cam shafts, you know what I'm saying? Just, a transmission. I do gotta buy a transmission. So I got 2 months to get this thing swapped in, tuned, ready to go, running at 100%, which is very doable. All I have to do right now is just wait for mounts and axles to come in, and also to buy a transmission. I have to get a transmission. So anyone in Florida who's selling a transmission for a good deal, not trying to pay $1,200 up for a stock Type S transmission, I'm just looking to get a K20Z1 or a K20A2 for, I don't know, like the most I'd spend on the transmission is like $750, $750. So if you got a transmission for sale in Florida, let me know. Willing to drive. Let me use your car, but I highly doubt it. But with that being said, Christina is going on a full part out. I am selling everything you see, everything, even the Hyundai, the axles. I'm trying to sell the entire full B-Series swap, turbo, everything you see in the engine bay is for sale. So if anyone's looking for a full B-Series swap, look no further. I know I'm known for blowing motors, but this motor is actually really healthy. If I can't sell the entire full swap, then I will do a part out, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to do a part out, but I was just trying to sell everything one thing so I can, have some more funds to fund this K-Series build. So if anyone is interested, DM me on Instagram if you're interested in a swap or parts of the swap. If I have to part out, then I would just do a full part out instead of just trying to sell the entire swap one thing with transmission. GSR trans, GSR head, high compression JDM B20 block. I did a full in-depth video, like what's all done to the engine bay and stuff like that. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link down below to that video, or at the end of this video if you want to check that out. But yeah, let's wrap this video up. So that's the grand scheme of things. I'm not selling the Integra. I feel so bad because like so many people was messaging me like, Josh, bro, you like my biggest Integra inspiration. They were saying so much like beautiful things, and I felt so bad. So whoever messaged me about it, I was like, nah, bro, I'm not selling the car. I just picked up a K-Series. I'm finally going K-swap. A lot of people actually caught on to what I was doing, like, because I didn't say selling the car. I had it for 4 years and this thing. Like, people caught on, so I tried to word it and make that play off that video as best as I could, and it worked for the most part. But it was only a matter of time before this actually happened, and I'm glad it happened right before Simply Clean. So hopefully by my birthday, I will be officially a K24 swapped Integra, making some good power and reliable and all the good jazz that come with these things. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this video, starts the road to 200,000 subscribers, because I know everyone's been asking for this for years, bro. Zosh, your content trash. You need a K-swap. You need a K-swap. So hopefully y'all don't be talking trash about my name no more, blood. Or I'ma trade away y'all. On my mama, blood. But thank you you guys for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram to keep updated with the build if I'm not here on YouTube posting about it, because my Instagram about to get K'd out, bro. So follow me on there, follow me on Twitter, and add me on Facebook if you want to, I guess. I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Oh, shit. Oh, boy, I almost broke my damn camera.